Covington homeowners value comfort, efficiency, and durability, especially with the region's mix of humid summers, rainy seasons, and changing temperatures throughout the year. Awning windows are a popular choice because of their tight seal, weather resistance, and excellent ventilation. However, to truly enjoy these benefits, professional installation is essential. Proper installation ensures awning windows perform at their best, protecting your home and enhancing everyday comfort. Here's how professional awning window installation delivers lasting benefits for Covington homeowners. Maximizing energy efficiency with an airtight seal. Awning windows are designed to close by pressing outward against the frame, which naturally creates a strong seal. Professional installation ensures that seal is fully engaged along the entire frame. Expert installers take precise measurements, align the window correctly, apply high-quality insulation and sealants. This airtight seal prevents warm air from escaping in winter and hot, humid air from entering during summer, helping reduce energy costs year-round. Improving indoor comfort through temperature control. Poorly installed windows often cause uneven temperatures and uncomfortable drafts. Professional awning window installation eliminates these issues. Homeowners experience fewer hot and cold spots, more stable indoor temperatures, improved comfort in every room. This consistency allows heating and cooling systems to operate more efficiently. Protecting against moisture and rain intrusion. Covington's rainy conditions make moisture protection especially important. Awning windows are excellent for wet climates, but only when installed correctly. Professional installers ensure proper flashing to direct water away, secure sealing around the frame, correct drainage paths. These measures prevent water infiltration that can lead to mold, rot, or structural damage. Enhancing natural ventilation without compromising efficiency. Awning windows can remain open during light rain, allowing fresh air into the home while keeping water out. Professional installation ensures smooth operation and secure positioning. Benefits include controlled airflow, improved indoor air quality, reduced reliance on air conditioning. This balance of ventilation and efficiency enhances everyday living. Ensuring smooth operation and long-term durability. Windows that are not installed correctly may stick, fail to close tightly, or experience hardware issues over time. Professional installers adjust hinges, cranks, and locks to ensure smooth operation. This results in easy opening and closing, reliable locking, reduced wear on components. Proper installation extends the lifespan of your windows. Reducing outside noise for a quieter home. When awning windows are professionally installed, tight seals and precise alignment help block outside noise. Homeowners enjoy less traffic or neighborhood noise, quieter living spaces, greater overall comfort. Noise reduction adds to the quality of daily life. Preserving manufacturer warranties and investment value. Many window warranties require professional installation to remain valid. Improper installation can void coverage and lead to unexpected repair costs. Professional installation meets manufacturer requirements, protects your investment, provides peace of mind, enhancing curb appeal and home value. Well-installed awning windows look better and perform better. Professional installation ensures clean lines, proper trim work, and seamless integration with your home's exterior. This enhances exterior appearance, buyer appeal, long-term property value, long-term efficiency, and confidence. Professional installation ensures awning windows continue delivering efficiency, comfort, and protection for years to come. Why professional installation matters in Covington homes. Awning windows offer excellent energy efficiency and weather resistance, but only when installed correctly. Professional installation maximizes these benefits by ensuring airtight sealing, moisture protection, smooth operation, and long-term durability. For Covington homeowners looking to enhance comfort, reduce energy costs, and protect their homes, professional awning window installation is a smart investment that delivers reliable performance and peace of mind in every season.